Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So here you can see it, error on your Instagram, an unknown network error has occurred. So how you can fix it? So now for fixing it, first thing, just check your internet connection. So just go to the settings, just tap on the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, just check your Wi-Fi network. So just open it. Now just turn off, wait a few seconds and just turn on again. So just restore your network, and if you're using mobile data, just turn off mobile data and turn on again. And if it doesn't help you, just try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. And if you still have the server, so just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple, restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you, just try to make forced restart on your phone. So it depends on model of iPhone you have, because I will tell you an example of iPhone X, iPhone 11 and iPhone 12. So iPhone with Face ID. So on this model of iPhone you just need to press on high volume buttons and on low volume button and just keep and hold power button until you will see black screen. So after you will see Apple logo, just release your finger from power button. It means that you successfully made forced restart. So after, just wait until your system will load and you will be able for using it. So if you have another model of iPhone, just find in Google what combination of buttons you need to press to make forced restart. So this is a way how you can also try to fix it. And if you still have this issue, so just go to the general again, just tap on software update and just wait until it will check for updates. And if you see here available updates, just download and install them on your iPhone. And if it doesn't help you, you can also try to remove your Instagram app. Just tap on it and just choose remove app. So after, just go to App Store, just go to search tab, just write in search tab Instagram, and you see here not open but get, just tap on get and it will successfully download and install Instagram again on your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.